Good morning. So, I'm out today with Mrs. para sa shakeout run with Kofuzi. So, it's 8:17, 9 a.m. Hopefully, makakatch up kami sa shakeout run. And it's Sunday today. Mingong daanan. Go! Let's go, let's go. Hello kids.
Magsakay lang kami ng bus.
Bus. Love.
Matulog ka na?
Okay, let's go. Kausap ko yung bunso namin.
Ayan o, may mga birds.
8:25. Waiting for the bus. Going for a shakeout run.
Pupuno, wala na. Ito na lang. Ano man?
Okay, so ito na yung bus na sasakyan namin. So, hindi masyadong traffic. And then, we'll ride the bus. Alright.
Para makita mo.
Oh, go.
Route 1 service to Nubian Station.
The bus. Let's go. 4 stops. Okay, nasa Marlboro Street na kami. Dami na nagsi-shakeout run. Okay. Woo! Shakeout run. Dami. Shakeout run for the Boston Marathon. 9 o'clock ko mag-shakeout run. Woo! Alright. So, dito na kami sa Newsby Street for the shakeout run for Kofuzi Run Rabbit. Grabe ang runners. Woo! Love it. And si Mini wife at sa back, so support. Okay, I'm here for the Kofuzi shakeout run. This one. Runners here. Runners everywhere. It's a Run Rabbit. Shakeout run. Yes, Kofuzi. I'm here with Kofuzi for the shakeout run for the Boston Marathon. Yeah. Woo! Thank you. Run Rabbit. Run Rabbit.
Our screen exclusive Kofuzi shirt today. In fact, so after the run, if you want to grab an easy tea, you get a Kofuzi shirt. Go check it out.
Shakeout run will start after 9.
Right, and we're gonna go down those little stairs that take you to the water. We're
Malakas yan,
gonna
magsasab
the water for a bit.
from Canada.
And at some point on
We're
those
here for the
stairs,
shakeout
time to
run.
turn around, and I'm gonna
Okay,
turn
Kofuzi
around.
shakeout run. Yeah. Yan si Kofuzi.
Mike, you want to
Shakeout
say
run.
anything?
Shakeout run.
Yo, what's going on?
Yay!
All right, we gotta do that one more time because I didn't have the GoPro going. All right, I'm gonna say yo, and then you guys know what to say after that. All right, you guys ready? Yo!
Yeah. What's going on?
I'd love to see you guys
Yeah.
smiling out there. Thanks everybody for coming out. You're gonna have great weather tomorrow. It's gonna be a great day to have a great day. So I hope you guys brace your hearts out tomorrow. Just not too hard, too fast. You know what I mean? So save something for the end. Say something for all the photographers that are out there, and make sure you're having a great time. Let's get your watches started, and we'll get ready to go soon. Thanks everybody.
Let's go!
All right, guys, we going.
Let's go! Let's go! There's Mike. I'm running with Mike. Yeah! There's Mike. I'm running. Go. Wait ka, bro. Yan si coach. Malakas to. Run. Shake out run. Woo! Yeah! Anong target mo, coach?
Hopefully A is 250, B is 255, and C is below 3.
Grabe! Woo! Ang lakas! Woo! Woo! Okay, let's go. Okay, Boston. Boston, shakeout run. 2 to 3 miles. Oh, sorry. Let's go. Kwentuhan run.
Yes.
Shakeout run.
Yung maganda, yung panahon bukas.
Oo, sana ganito rin. Saan talaga pabor? Sana lang talaga.
I don't know.
Bukas. Ganito pa rin eh.
Yes.
Hindi. Or charity. Kasi so, alam ko mahirap sa London talaga eh.
Baka nag-qualify siya.
Ay, pwede. Oo, qualify na nga. Yay! From Philippines, yeah!
Yeah. That's rare.
Oh,
Saan mas maganda?
15 minutes gone. Let's go, sa akin. Sa'yo, 13. Oh, 15. Yun lang.
Coach?
Hindi ako coach. Hindi ako coach. Davao. Davao. Bisaya. Ay, ikaw di ay.
Bakulod.
Ay, sos. Bacolod pala si coach. Canada base. Coach Chester. Pabalik na. Kunti na lang. Last run before Boston. Oh. Going back. Naka-Tokyo ka na? Wala pa, no?
Di ba?
Ilang stars?
Wala. First.
Oh, grabe, Boston talagang inuuna ni Iko. Ang galing. Ano ako nakapasok ako sa slot ni Gatorade? Shortlisted ako sa ni Gatorade last October pa.
Oh?
Naka-receive ako ng email. Tanggap ako February 1 lang.
Ano yung sa Gatorade?
May kakilala ko. Pinasali yung email ko sa shortlist. Okay, going back. Balik na. 25 minutes shakeout run. Woohoo! Tayo. Sure ako si Ben Johnson nandito rin eh. Okay.
Sino? Ben Johnson?
Ending our 25 minutes shakeout run. Easy for tomorrow's Boston run. Woohoo! We're here. Back to start line. We're done.
Great to meet you, Dan. I'm taking off you.
4K. shakeout run. Done running, and I got my freebie.
Welcome back.
Yeah. It's a wrap, it's a wrap. Let's go. It's a wrap, it's a wrap. Bye.